Hi everyone, I'm Joe with another Ask Plano question. How does the city choose which roads to improve or repair? That's a great question. Plano has almost 3,000 miles of lanes. That's a lot of roads to keep up with. But our repairs and improvements never stop. The simple answer is there are several ways we choose which roads to repair. First, we listen to you, our Plano residents. When you tell us about a road that needs work, we place it on a list. Multiple calls regarding a single location are flagged as priorities. Second, we have a consultant drive every street in Plano, taking a close look at our 13,000 road segments. They rank the roads as to which ones need repairs or improvements. Finally, we work with our Plano Police Department to identify intersections with a high number of crashes. While it's not a hard and fast rule, if more than 50% of a neighborhood street needs repairs, the city will replace the entire street. Otherwise, we focus on making repairs as needed. Plano's Public Works Department repairs panels or potholes. Crews start by digging out the old concrete panels. They prep the repair site using flex base or crushed up concrete. Steam rollers flatten this out. The crew then installs rebar, a steel bar or mesh made of steel wires, which strengthens and holds the concrete in place. If the concrete is in good shape but the road is settled, the crew may inject a layer of foam under the concrete. The concrete usually takes 3 to 7 days to cure. If it rains on the first day the concrete is poured, we cover it to protect it. Otherwise, we'll keep it protected with barricades. Be careful. While it looks dry, it's not safe to drive on until we remove the barricades. And by the way, most potholes receive a temporary fix with asphalt. If you have a street in your neighborhood that you think needs repairs, the best way to submit your request is through Fix It Plano. You can submit your request through the app or our website at plano.gov/fixit. You can also call our street department at 972-941-4140. We have a designated person who takes your calls and visits the areas you tell us about. Tell us the reasons why you think the street needs to be repaired, and you can even send us a few photos. Our city staff opens a ticket and will go out to take a close look at the road and determine what priority to place on the project. Depending on the type of repair, our public works staff may do the work or we will hire a subcontractor. If a subcontractor does the work, the project must first be advertised, a contractor selected, and the work can't start until it's approved by the City Council. So why does it take so long to fix a road? Our public works and engineering departments told me one of the biggest challenges right now is availability of labor. Contractors are not only very busy with lots of work, they also have crew shortages. The great news is, once we replace a street, we shouldn't have to be back for a long, long time. The average lifespan of a road is 40 to 50 years. We're also getting questions about service roads along the tollways. Who's responsible for maintaining them? Well, that depends on where you are. Plano maintains the service roads along the Dallas North Tollway. The Texas Department of Transportation, or TxDOT, maintains the access roads along the President George Bush Turnpike, and the North Texas Tollway Authority is responsible for the service roads along the Sam Rayburn Tollway. That's it for this episode of Ask Plano. If you have a question, send it to me at askplano@plano.gov or on any of the city's social media channels. If I don't know the answer, I'll find it for you.